Union Test Preps, Practice Test for the ServSafe Manager Exam, Part 4. There will be a brief pause after answer choices are given. This is a great time to pause the video to solve. Question 1. Which of the following is considered a biological hazard in food safety? A. A metal shard in a salad. B. Cleaning solution in a beverage. C. Salmonella in undercooked chicken. D. A piece of plastic in a sandwich. The correct answer is C. Salmonella in undercooked chicken. Biological hazards include bacteria, viruses, parasites, and fungi that can cause foodborne illness. Salmonella is a common bacterial pathogen found in raw poultry, making it a biological hazard. Physical hazards, like metal shards, and chemical hazards, like cleaning solutions, are different categories of contamination. Question 2. What is the temperature danger zone where bacteria grow rapidly? A. 32 to 70 degrees Fahrenheit. B. 41 to 135 degrees Fahrenheit. C. 50 to 165 degrees Fahrenheit. D. 100 to 212 degrees Fahrenheit. The correct answer is B. 41 to 135 degrees Fahrenheit. The temperature danger zone is between 41 and 135 degrees Fahrenheit, where bacteria multiply rapidly. Food should be kept below 41 degrees Fahrenheit, cold storage, or above 135 degrees Fahrenheit, hot holding, to prevent bacterial growth. Question 3. Which food should be cooked to a minimum internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit for at least 15 seconds? A. Steak. B. Pork chops. C. Ground beef. D. Chicken breast. The correct answer is D. Chicken breast. Poultry, chicken, turkey, duck must be cooked to 165 degrees Fahrenheit to ensure bacteria like salmonella are destroyed. Ground beef should be cooked to 155 degrees Fahrenheit, while pork and steak are safe at 145 degrees. Question 4. What is the most effective way to prevent pest infestations? A. Regularly spray pesticides in the kitchen. B. Keep doors and windows open for ventilation. C. Store food and garbage properly. D. Install bright lighting to deter pests. The correct answer is C. Store food and garbage properly. The best way to prevent pests is to eliminate food and water sources. Proper storage and waste disposal discourage pests from entering. Spraying pesticides is a last resort and must be done by professionals. Question 5. Which is the safest method for thawing frozen chicken? A. In the refrigerator or a cooler at 41 degrees Fahrenheit or lower. B. On the counter at room temperature. C. In a bowl of warm water. D. Under hot running water. The correct answer is A. In the refrigerator or a cooler at 41 degrees Fahrenheit or lower. Thawing food in the refrigerator prevents bacterial growth. Thawing at room temperature or in warm water allows the outer layers to enter the temperature danger zone, 41 to 135 degrees Fahrenheit. Question 6. Which illness would require a report to the regulatory authority? A. Strep throat. B. Norovirus. C. Seasonal flu. D. Common cold. The correct answer is B, norovirus. Certain illnesses require immediate reporting to the regulatory authority because they pose a serious risk of foodborne outbreaks. These include the big six pathogens: norovirus, Salmonella typhi, non-typhoidal Salmonella, Shiga toxin-producing E. coli, hepatitis A, and Shigella. If a food handler is diagnosed with one of these illnesses, they must be excluded from work and the regulatory authority must be notified. Other illnesses, like the flu or strep throat, may require restriction from food handling, but do not require regulatory reporting. Question 7. How hot must the final sanitizing rinse be in a high-temperature dishwasher? A. 120 degrees Fahrenheit. B. 150 degrees Fahrenheit. C. 180 degrees Fahrenheit. D. 212 degrees Fahrenheit. The correct answer is C. 180 degrees Fahrenheit. In a high-temperature dishwasher, the final sanitizing rinse must reach at least 180 degrees Fahrenheit to effectively sanitize dishes. For stationary rack, single-temperature machines, the minimum requirement is 165 degrees Fahrenheit. If a dishwasher does not reach these temperatures, dishes must be sanitized using another method. Question 8. Which situation does not require changing gloves? A. After handling raw chicken. B. After wearing the same gloves for 4 hours. C. After taking out the trash. D. When switching from slicing onions to assembling a cooked burger. The correct answer is D. When switching from slicing onions to assembling a cooked burger. Gloves must be changed after handling raw meat every 4 hours of continuous use, or after touching anything unsanitary, like trash. However, switching between ready-to-eat foods, such as onions and burgers, does not require a glove change, as long as there is no contamination risk. Hand washing is still recommended when necessary. Question 9. Which of the following foods may be reserved to another customer? A. A bread basket returned from a table. B. An unopened, prepackaged packet of butter. C. A plate of pasta that was untouched. D. A garnish from a returned plate. The correct answer is B. An unopened, prepackaged packet of butter. Food that has been served to a customer cannot be reserved, except for unopened, prepackaged items such as individually wrapped butter or jelly packets, and sealed condiment bottles. Items like bread, garnishes, and previously served food must be discarded to prevent cross-contamination and foodborne illness risks. Question 10. How should the internal temperature of a food product be checked? A. By inserting the thermometer into the thinnest part. B. By placing the thermometer on the food surface. C. By inserting the thermometer into the thickest part. D. By using an infrared thermometer to check the temperature. The correct answer is C. By inserting the thermometer into the thickest part. The thickest part of the food takes the longest to cook and provides the most accurate temperature reading. Infrared thermometers only measure surface temperature and cannot accurately determine if food is cooked to a safe internal temperature. A probe thermometer should always be inserted into the thickest part of the food to ensure it has reached a safe temperature. Looking for free study help for the ServSafe exam? For free practice tests, study guides, and flashcards, check out uniontestprep.com/ServSafe.